Yay, hey! It is my time for getting a shitload of crap from Amazon, because once a month I'm rich enough that I'm very poor. But you'll see the kind of stuff I get and judge for yourself. This looks like a craftwork magic wand, and it is that. It's also my stainless steel rolling pin. You want one of these, and anything that doubles as a legal weapon, I'll keep. So anyway, I got something special for you, Tactical Soupy. Yep. Yep, and I'll need some icing later. Oh, I'm so funny. So yeah. That's okay, from the cooking department. Yeah. It's one of those things people qualify as a hack. Again, I just despise that word, but this is of the processed food variety of stuff that I really like, because, you know, it's good stuff. Here we have our taco mix. Chili powder, it's okay, and I got some other stuff. You know, I got my patented lime flavored chili powder. But the taco stuff is just, we're Americans, we love it. Not one bottle of ginger, not 2 bottles of ginger, 3. I go through it really quickly. I hate running out. I've been out for a little while. And pisses me off when that happens. What else? Dang it, I just had something. I'll just show something else in the meanwhile. Axes, Wixes, device. Yeah. If you saw my other unboxing video, and if you didn't, well, what the hell's your problem? I got a whole bunch of paraffin in, more paraffin, and I have devices. You know, hopefully I didn't mislay my last thing. Hey, I'll be right back, okay? Just bear with me. Specifically because of Walnut Witch, aka Aspie, watching her splendid videos, I decided, you know, watching her, maybe want to have my own. I don't think it's the same Dremel that Aspie works, but it sure looks like it, and maybe it's the same thing, maybe it's not. And came with a little box. Somewhere in my shit, I have bags and bags and bags of bits. And I have a couple Dremos, but Dremel they're just not what I wanted. I've had them for years, I never use them, I don't know. They required a plug, which I thought would be the way to go, but you know, I just never get around to actually doing it. Now, I can fart around and I don't pretend I'm Aspie, and yeah, no, I don't think the wig is going to cover it. Cover it. Cover. That means nothing. Nothing. No. You will note that my purchases really kind of dovetail into stuff I want to do, at least to some degree. my alleged career. I don't make any money. It's an avocation, not a vocation, so it doesn't have to be good. I don't have to be good. Just have to be content. I don't care what it is. Do you care? Not that much. You maybe watch my shit, so go figure. Let's see, purple. Such a good time of year to come of day to maybe year two, but to record because the light is nice at this time of evening, and it's not the dead of night. It's honest to goodness natural light. Yeah. I already had woman manager ask me, well, what happened to your blinds? Not because he wanted to ding me, she wanted more. I absolutely don't want more. But these things always break. I'll break them. I don't care. And the way my room is, somebody had to be on a ladder to look into my window. Oh, I don't care. It just doesn't matter to me. And it's probably my only source of sporadic natural light. Then, of course, I have my window or door open, which I never do, and because people peek in, and I don't care. This is my friend Art. Aspie's heard all about my friend Art, and she knows how Art's my brother. I mean, for all practical purposes, I love the guy to bits. He's great. So he peeked in my door, and of course, so did Ray. Ray Gun. I just got through bitching about him very humorously to my friend Aspie. He had to poke into him. Art says, well, what are those? What is all the Mylar for? And Ray says, oh, is that for video? So it turns out my friends are number one, on to me, and number two, not stupid, because what else? It's only good for that. And I told them all about, my really crude attempts at odd, lighting and whatnot, which I happen to like.